Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you'd replace the Downstream O2 sensor, right? So the O2 sensor is located right here on the pipe, and you see that little oil residue? That's because they put some penetrating oil and let it set, because these can be a very big pain to get off. And first, then we got to follow this electric line up here, and we're going to undo this electrical connector by pressing the connector and pulling that undone. Okay? So we've done that. We've had our penetrating oil sitting there, and now because this doesn't happen to be too large, we can put the wrench around it, and we want a 22mm wrench, and to be able to loosen. Let's go the right way. All right. Once you get that broke, sometimes it can be a big pain, and you might even have to heat it up. So then you undo the whole O2 sensor, and then we're gonna go get a new one. Okay, so we got our new O2 sensor. Get our wrench on there. Tighten it in there. And then just connect the electric connector up here and press it in until it goes click. And so that's how you replace your Downstream O2 sensor on your 2008 Toyota Camry with a 2.4 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.